In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with PayPal on eBay. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or just getting started, using PayPal for your transactions can add an extra layer of security and convenience. Let's dive right into the process. First, make your way over to the eBay website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in www.ebay.com in the address bar. Once you're there, browse through eBay's extensive catalogue to locate the item you wish to purchase. Using the search bar at the top of the homepage can help you quickly find exactly what you're looking for. Once you've found the right item, take a moment to review the product details, seller ratings, and any shipping information to ensure that it meets your expectations. Next, click on the Buy It Now button. This option allows you to purchase the item immediately without having to engage in any bidding wars. After clicking Buy It Now, you'll be directed to a page where you can review your purchase details. Here, make sure everything is correct. It's always worth double checking the item description and shipping address to avoid any mishaps. Now it's time to choose your payment method. On the checkout page, you'll see several payment options. Select PayPal as your preferred payment method from the list. It's a good idea to verify that your PayPal account is linked to your eBay account beforehand for a more seamless experience. Once selected, click on Pay with PayPal. This will redirect you to the PayPal login page. On the PayPal website, log in with your email address and password. If you're using a trusted device, you can also choose to stay logged in for faster checkout in the future. After logging in, you'll see the payment details page. Take a moment to review all the information here, such as the payment amount, your PayPal balance, or credit card details linked to the account, and ensure everything is accurate. Authorize the transaction by clicking the Pay Now or a similar confirmation button. This step completes the payment process on the PayPal side. Once authorized, PayPal will process the payment and you'll be redirected back to the eBay website. On eBay, you should see a confirmation that your order has been successfully processed and is now complete. That's it. Your payment has been made through PayPal, providing that added level of security and buyer protection. Enjoy your purchase, knowing your transaction is in good hands. If you received a confirmation email from both eBay and PayPal, keep those for your records. Thanks for following along, and happy shopping on eBay.